and body set. In this one. Moving. Let's start the day.
From the first moment I saw you, I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you.
Oh, my skin is peeling. I don't know if you can see.
No time.
But no. I feel like I fish out the water.
What's something I can do for you, darling? That would make you smile.
I got the ordinary face and body sets.
I'll bring you flowers, girl. Enough to see for miles. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rain turn to winter snow. But I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow. But I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. I love your style, and I love your grace. Said I love to put a smile on your pretty little face. I love it when you're close to me. And girl, I want you to always be. I didn't know when I found you that I would find.
I don't know if I should leave the hair like this or should bring it forward.
And you can see it in my eyes. That girl, you've got me hypnotized. Something's changed, baby.
white shirts. We're looking for white shirts. Well, I think I saw it the last time here, I'm not sure. Or have they replaced it? Have to go around the store looking for it. Oh yeah, I found it. Found it. 10, 10, 10.
I don't know if I'm too big to wear this one.
It's not really. Alright, thank you. No, I see the shop. It's pink. Wow, cute.
Hello, I'm done with my shopping for clothes, just clothes. So I did not really get a lot of things, but the ones I got, I think I like it. And as you can see, the back, really nice. I want to try them on to see which one is good. So let's get it. It's in a size 16. It's a brown dress. I think it's a bit big. Extra large. And it's on a red sticker and it's £5. It's small. This front is same and it's £3. So and it's for £6. So this is a really nice skirt with some splits in it. And I got it in size 8. So these are the ones I won't be going home with. Why? This is too tight, unfortunately. Too big. I really did like it, but it's not just my size. And this is really big. I didn't take videos of it because there was no point in doing a try on. Moving to my keep pile. So this Lilo and Stitch, or rather this Stitch shirt is really nice. I tried it. See, it has like, I don't know what this is called, but it feels really nice on the body. And I got it in size large, as you can see, and it's on discount for £4. So I'm going to go with this one. Also going with this alternate top. I'm not so sure about this one because it's a bit tight. In medium, if I can find a large, I'll get the large. But if I don't find a large, I'll just skip this because it's a bit small on me. And it retails for £3, which is nice. Then the best of the best, I am definitely keeping this black dress on. I'll probably change it to a size bigger. I don't know why I'm always changing to bigger, to be honest. For the love of me, I know for a fact that I am a size 14 or like a 12, but apparently Primark I am size 16 or 8 and it's for £5.
Exit for left.
Let's get ready for work.
I know. Right from there, I saw you. I was like, oh, I know him.
I'm thinking the same. It's so hot nowadays. I can't sleep as much, and it gets bright early. I wake up.
Oh, did you see the epics yesterday?
It wasn't
did?
total though, isn't it?
It wasn't.
No.
Oh, I was working. I was like, oh. I missed.
How big is the first one? This one's small now, right?
So anything big I cannot enter.
Yeah, that's what they asked you what size.
This place has more sun.
Yes.
Hi, this is my friend Vivian.
Hello.
Hello. Let's go.
The Favour's voice. Hello.
Hello. So we're going to eat at this place. Apparently it's for free. Are they answering you? No. So we are going to Lidl. Like this one will be okay.
Yes.
You can mix this one
And some of that.
some of this one. Or this white one. It's £9. No. Hey, ladies crocs, where is the price? Where is the price? Poncho is £12. Like this thing. This is the price that you're looking at. Oh, okay. You can buy little shoe.
How much is it? Where did they actually put their logo there?
See now, £6.99.
When they put their logo, leave it for free there.
I even have like 3 crisps. This one is face mask. Have you tried that one? Oh, it should smell nice now. It's very big. Like, see the side, and you see it's coming out. But it's tight at the same time. The front is tight, the back is now small. Should breathe. You. Drop it.
Okay, I'll get free this one. No, this one. This one. I won't need it now. But
Please scan. Thank you for shopping at Lidl.
I want to go to the Abbey Road.
Oh yeah, it's true. Abbey Race. Let's go. Is it what we do this time? I wonder if you can see.
No, Pacific just have nap for you. Nobody go disturb you.
Just here.
I swear, just carry your eye marks, close eye.
Just don't have any bad ladies on you.
Yes. Maybe you leave phone for house. Just
No, don't leave for the house. What is something happening? You are seeing the journey. Yeah, and you have calluses. Phone? No,
A mobile phone.
no, we just got here. China, Gabi go.
yeah. Continue. Bring out your inner child. yeah. No. I'm not wearing sneakers, I can fall.
Oh, thank you. I am and Vivian were going to Abbey Range.
This is where we came out from.
Yeah.
The other side and this side.
You can go under and there will be. Yeah, I like dogs. I had one in Nigeria. Produced with the permission of Victoria and our baby.
Come back here when everywhere is fine.
Probably next year because after this season now it's autumn.